Do you want to send location as Snap on Snapchat, or you want to send your current location to your friend on Snapchat and send a snap? Then this video is basically going to walk you through how to send location snap on Snapchat. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to send location snap on Snapchat or send your location as snap on Snapchat, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Then you want to click on friendship at the bottom left or swipe right to review all your friends. Now select the friend you want to send location snap to on your Snapchat account, this, and then click on it. Then once you click on it like this, go ahead and click on their profile name or username to go to their profile page. Now, one of their profile page, just scroll down a bit. They're gonna say snap map, and they're gonna say share location. So go ahead and click on sharing location. Now, once you click on sharing location, come here and click on this spotlight search. Then search for your location on the maps. So let's say my location on the maps is this. So once you search for it, search through the nearest location and then select it. Once you selected it, then you're gonna see it on the map. So if you click on this, this is going to show you exactly on the maps. As you can see, it's going to show you exactly where you are on the map. You see that? Then to send this location to this particular Snapchat account, just go ahead and click on the send button. Then once you hit the send button, you're going to see this menu comes up. Scroll down again, locate the Snapchat account, click on it and click on send. Once you hit the send button, then your location will be sent as snap to this particular person on Snapchat. Now if you come back again, and then you should see on the Snapchat message page that you sent a location to this particular person. So this is the location you sent to the person. So that is basically how to send location snap on Snapchat. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.